Welcome back to another episode of Kyle's Kitchen. All right. Right now, I want to show you a palate cleanser. Okay. And as far as palate cleanser goes, I mean that's a fancy word for a smoothie. And I got some. You could use any type of fruit you want, preferably frozen because it lasts longer in your freezer. You could use fresh, but I'm using strawberries. This is what I'm going to use tonight, is strawberries. Okay, all the ingredients for the smoothie is sugar, your fruit, ice, and ice cream. Okay, so I'm going to make, this is cookie dough. I'm going to mix cookie dough, so it's going to be like a chocolate chip strawberry smoothie. It's going to be good. This is what it looks like right here. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly all the steps and how to make it. Oh, you'll also need water too. So first off, we're gonna start with some water. Okay, and you're gonna need about, I'm gonna measure it out, about a half cup of water. I'm gonna put that in. Okay, half cup of water. Alright, I'll do 2 half cups. Alright, which is actually 1 cup. Okay, we got 1 cup of water in here. About 4 to 5 ice cubes. Okay. Next, ice cream. Alright, I'm gonna put a half a cup of ice cream in there. So 1 of these scoops of that. Half cup, a big half cup, like that size. Okay. Last but not least, or the next ingredient is the fruit. Okay. I'm gonna put 3 strawberries in there. About 3 frozen strawberries. See? Okay. Toss that in. Alright. And then your sugar. Definitely gonna need your sugar. So what I'm going to do is 1 heaping tablespoon of sugar. Okay? Throw that in there. And next, we're going to mix it up. We're going to blend it. Okay? Blend it all together. Really want to chop up the ice cubes, and you want the ice cream to mix well, and it's supposed to be thick and it's supposed to be icy, okay? And you're supposed to taste the sugar too. It's supposed to be sweet, so that's how you want it to come out. Alright, let's check it out. Okay, so basically, you want to get it, oh perfect, okay. All the ice cubes should be chopped up. All the ice cubes should be chopped up and it should be pureed. It should just fall down and pureed. But you still want it to be a little bit thick, okay? And that's, the ice cream makes it thick, and so does the ice cubes, when they mix, they shave off. And it forms a bond to the sugar and to the strawberries, which is the fruit that you're using. Okay, so you want it to be pureed. Okay, and the final product looks like this. Enjoy, guys. Au revoir, and enjoy. Bon appetit.